We about to get y'all stepping on this one. Everybody make your way to the floor. LaLover on the choreography. Bass Total Production. Swisha High. Wrecking the scene.
Hey y'all, my name is LaLover from Houston, Texas. I'm going to teach y'all the line is we stepping with high curve. First, we're going to do it after the hand, then we're going to do it with the finger. You right out, come up, then back. Left out, come up, then back. 2 times to the right, 2 times to the left, 2 times to the front, 2 times to the front. Then step, left up, step down, right up, step, cha-cha. You can cha-cha. Last step, last cha-cha. Then you get it right, left, left. Do whatever freestyle you want to do. Do whatever freestyle you want to do. Then we turn. We turn. We turn. Last time. Right out, up, down. Left out, up, down. 2 times to the right, 2 times to the left, up 2, right, up 2, with the left, right down, left up, left down, up, right, step, cha-cha, step, cha-cha, last step, last cha-cha, get right, left, freestyle, right, freestyle, right, now we turn, we turn, we turn, we turn. That's it, y'all. I hope you like it.